Oh, hi there. Okay, so what? To judge.
I'm not judging.
I didn't notice the camera was there. So we're gonna go look at 61. Gotta look at 61. So, I need your help. This is treated just like a variable at first. Just like a variable at first. So remember that acronym FOIL? It's really just a fancy word or acronym for distribution. So I need your help. 3 times -2.
-6.
You take over. What do I do next?
3 times 4i.
Nice. What do we get?
12i.
Flawless. Continue.
-4i.
Okay.
And 8i squared.
Any questions on the distribution? Are we been doing that since kindergarten? Not really, but we've been doing it for a while. Who can combine here?
The 12i, the -4i, and then the 8i squared. You turn it into a negative.
Okay, so you're going too fast, slow down. But, does everybody realize right away these can go together, right? Everybody notices that. I saw a couple people try to throw all of them together. No, 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 no. That's an I squared, which we'll talk about as something completely different. But what is 12i minus 4i?
8i.
Nailed it. 8i. Now you started to tell me something though. This is where it starts taking on a different character than just a variable. I squared. What does I squared represent?
-1.
So this 8i squared really is
-8.
correct. Meaning I will combine these like terms now, giving me
-14.
done. Done. Multiply, combine like terms. Make sure you remember I squared represents a -1. Good? You can respond. Good?
Yes.
Good. Thanks. Made me feel good. Okay, so next one. We have a monomial I term in the bottom, or denominator. Okay, we have a monomial I term. Now, I is really the square root of -1. So everybody realize we really have a square root in the denominator. Not allowed.
There's 61 for all of this, the answer you gave us is 1 plus 6.
Don't bring that up right now. How dare you? I didn't make the answer key. If the answer key is wrong, someone else made it. Okay, so, shh,
But that's
I will fight you. So, we gotta take a look.
Tally.
You're sabotaging it.
Nope, nope, nope.
Did you get it? Okay, good.
You're all failing. Okay, so, let's take a look at this one. We have an I in the denominator, and there's a mistake there, right? This can't happen. Does anyone remember how we get rid of a monomial I?
Multiply the top and the bottom by 3i.
Okay, now, yes and no. You can multiply it by 3i, but the good news is I don't have a problem with 3. 3 is allowed. The only thing not allowed there is the I. So all I needed was the I. Is everybody here? We're good? Multiply. Up top, anyone, what do I get? Anyone means any of you. Yeah, thank you. 5i. And let's slow play it. What do we get on the bottom?
3i squared.
Good. Now, some of you may look at that and be like, you just made more of them. Well, you're a liar, okay? Because now we can simplify something. What does the bottom really become?
-3.
Because I squared is really just -1. So it's really 5i over -3. So everybody realize that's how you eliminate a monomial denominator with an imaginary number there, okay? But I still don't like that. And the book doesn't either.
You have to multiply it all by -1.
Now, technically you can just move the negative up, but I like actually showing the process. So what's our final answer then?
-5i over 3.
So smart. Everybody doing okay? Question.
Why do you have to multiply by -1?
You technically don't. You could just move the negative to the top, but
It's because you can't have a negative in the
we do not like a negative in the denominator, correct? We frown upon it. All right, last one. Notice the big difference. Some people go, oh, I in the denominator, just multiply by I. I don't think so. You get it because it's I. Anyways, so I need to get rid of a binomial in the denominator with an imaginary number. So, pick your head up, 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 pick your head up. You! Only took 7 times. Now, do you have any ideas how I could get rid of a binomial with an imaginary number here?
Yeah.
Yeah, good. Would you share it with me?
Yeah, you multiply by the opposite of the denominator, so 2 plus 4i.
Does anybody remember what that was called?
Conjugate.
Woo! You're doing very good. Nice job. It is the conjugate.
Tally.
Tally.
I stopped, but I stopped.
I say It was 3 close.
I'm gonna kick you off camera. So,
I'm not even on camera.
no, I mean I'm literally gonna kick you off of camera.
Oh,
So,
okay.
Tally.
let's multiply the top.
Just take it like a
Wait, can't we get
winner.
on camera?
Double F's, all of you double F's. Now, the top, we gotta multiply it the same way we did this problem. We gotta multiply the exact same way. What?
Oh, you're good.
So let's multiply the top. Everyone multiply the top. Real quick, we gotta do this, focus. 5 times 2. 5 times 4i.
20
I times 2. I times 4i.
Negative
Now,
4.
keep in mind, guys, we're still taking care of the top and only the top. So now we have to combine like terms. This one took a lot of steps. What is 20i with 2i? We can add 22i.
Well, Mr. Glenn, can't you just put negative 4 instead of 4i squared?
Yes, you can. What a wonderful little conversation. This is how we combine our like terms. I squareds represent negatives. So what is 10 minus 4?
6.
Okay, all of a sudden we got quiet. Yes. Now, top's done, kind of. Right? We've simplified all the top. The bottom, we're going to do the same process. 2 times 2,
4.
2 times 4i.
8.
Negative 4i times 2.
Negative.
And negative 4i times 4i.
Couldn't you just multiply the fronts and the backs?
Say again?
Couldn't you just multiply the fronts and the backs?
Correct. Okay, so let's notice something. Someone remembered the cheat. I like it. Let's be intelligently lazy. Because, first off, you notice that looks like difference of perfect squares? And it always cancels out the middle terms? Shadaisy. It does. So when you multiply conjugates, you can actually just multiply fronts and backs. It's one of the nice things, and only with conjugates does that work. Some people are like, ooh, I'm going to do it up top. Well, you're wrong. Right? You can't do that up top. If it's a conjugate, you can multiply fronts and backs. Now, we're going to combine everything here. If I have negative 16 times I squared, what's I squared? So this all becomes, does everybody understand how we get the positive 16? Combine, and when we combine 4 with 16, what do we get?
20.
I really like that answer. I'm going to put that down on my test. Am I correct? No. Some of you are like, yeah, I like it too. No. That's why we get this wrong in the test. What is wrong with this problem? I don't have to get rid of the I because it's not in the bottom. Be more specific. Everything?
You can take a 2 out.
Take it 2 out. And I knew that's where you were going, but I want to make sure. Everything can reduce by 2. Now let me ask this. What if that was a 5? Could I do it? No, because all of them need to have it. Okay? Let's reduce everything by 2 and come up with our final answer. What would I get?
11i plus 3 over 10.
100% correct. 3 problems from the review. All good? Scene.